Somehow in my 35 years of life, I have never tried a beauty blender. I don't really know how, but I've never. So when the brand reached out and offered to send me one, I took the chance, I jumped on the chance. So this is a beauty blender. It actually is much smaller than I thought, but as you can see, I'm filling it up with water and really squeezing out, wringing it through, and it's doubling in size, I would say. It's so much larger after you wet it than I thought. So I found that this is super soft. I love this electric pink color. It makes it actually super easy to find in my vanity. And when I'm applying the makeup, I feel like it really pushes the makeup into my skin. I find that even when I'm applying my foundation with the brush, that I'm still really reaching for my beauty blender to really push that makeup out and really remove any of the brush marks that I got. It also helps me give a more natural finish by really blending in and pushing it into the skin. That it just is something I always reach